Welcome to Carticum channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video. If your car won't start when the engine is cold, there are two possible reasons. It's either your engine oil is too thick or your car battery is weak. If you are using heavy, single-weight engine oil, this type of oil tends to become very thick in cold temperatures. The single-weight engine oil is oil like the SAE 30 or SAE 40, also known as monograde oil. Oils of this type tend to become very thick in cold temperatures. In fact, it can become so thick that the engine has trouble cranking when you try to start it. Because of the extreme friction caused by such thick oil. To fix the problem, change your engine oil to a multi-weight oil, such as 10W40. This type of oil will not thicken in colder temperatures. And thus, not cause hard starting when the engine is very cold. Now, if you are not using single-weight engine oil, then the problem is a weak battery. Cold outside temperatures can cause a battery to become temporarily very weak. A weak battery will of course not be able to crank an engine fast enough to start it. You should replace this battery with one that has a good cold cranking rating. This is a battery's ability to work in very cold temperatures. Visit your local auto parts store and ask the salesman to recommend such a battery. Get the best battery you can afford, it will be money well spent.